Never ever will I take rubbish from anybody. Today, I will teach him a lesson of his life.
Just because he's proven that he's better than us.
Don't worry. He will see today.
Yes.
He is going to see today.
Let's go. Let's go!
What I taught you. So let's solve this. If 2 raised to power x is equals to 16, what is x? If 2 raised to power x is 32, what is x? Find x.
Let me solve it.
Good. Raised to power x. Don't think. Solve it.
4.
You're guessing.
No, I'm not. I'm starting. All right. 16 divided by 2.
Good.
8. 8 divided by 2.
Good.
4. 4 divided by 2.
Good.
2. Then 2 by 2 is 1.
And then what? How many 2s are there?
4. I got it,
You
right?
got it.
Anna, let's go and tell these people. No, we can't. How should we go? Should we go there?
No. Let's just be patient. I don't want Afo to know anything. After teaching her, on his way going back, we attack him on the road. I think you have to go back now.
No.
I can walk home alone.
No, I want to follow you to your house.
No. You know, that's a long walk. I don't want your father to come back and realize you're not at home.
Don't worry yourself about him. I'll handle him. Let's go. I want to follow you to your house.
Afrekwe.
Let's go.
Okay, if you say so.
Can you do this?
I can.
No, you cannot.
I can. Let me see how long you do it.
Okay, try. I'm sure you can't do it.
I did it a little.
No.
Okay, teach me.
I can do it wrong.
Teach me now, please. I did it a little. Okay, teach me.
Hey, such a hold on for ways.
This guy is daring me. You guys should lay low. I don't want Afo to see me. Okay.
So what do we do now?
Let's go. Afo must not see us.
So, I'm finally home. And I think you should start walking back. It's a long walk. Okay?
No, permit me to stay a little bit more.
Afrekwe, it's a long walk back. And I know your father will be looking for you. Please.
Don't worry yourself about my father. I can handle him.
No, I'm worried.
Don't be worried.
I told you guys that this girl will follow him home.
This girl is a very stupid girl. See how she spoiled our plans.
Hey! Hold it! Don't you ever call her in your miserable life a stupid girl again. Are you stupid? Don't you know she's my girlfriend?
Your girlfriend? Your girlfriend who follows a guy who doesn't know what to do with his life. You are here calling her your girlfriend.
Hey! I have told you! Don't ever call her a stupid girl.
Or else, what will you do?
She's my girlfriend! I've done to everything!
They let you!
I will scream! Relax! Relax! Are you stupid? I
will break your head! I will break your head! Are we arrested? Are we arrested?
What is going on?
Anna, what is the problem? What is going on
Why are you
here?
people quarreling? Huh? You have knives and sticks. What is going on?
This is serious.
I don't understand.
Something is wrong.
Let's go.
I think I'll have to walk it back myself. I don't understand this.
No, I don't want.
Where are you coming back from?
Papa, I saw Ogazi Amaka off. He was here to help me solve mathematics.
Your mathematics. From there, you followed him home.
No, I only saw him off, nothing more.
Afwekwe. Riado duonwegi. Riado duonwegi. Be very, very careful, Afwekwe. Be very careful.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thank you. You're welcome.
I brought some oranges and banana for you.
Are you serious? That's so cool of you. Thank you so much.
No problem. I see you're fetching water.
Yes, but I'm almost done. I just want to go and fetch some.
No, let me help you fetch some.
No, don't worry. I'll go and do that myself.
Afekwe, I insist. Even if it's just 1 gallon.
If you say so.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll gladly do it from my house.
No, this place is closer.
Okay. To the street?
Yes.
Alright. I'll be back. Let me hurry up to the street.
Oh, Ogazi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
So are you ready for our lessons today?
Of course, I am.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let me get you a seat.
Good.
Ogazi, I brought this for you.
Wow. Okay. That's good. Can I?
Of course.
Right. I love bananas. Please, let's eat together.
Don't worry, I'm fine. I just want you to eat and enjoy so you can teach me very well.
Thank you. Don't worry. There's a lot you will learn today. You have just spiced my brain up.
That's why I wanted to eat this food so you can teach me more things.
Thank you. I will. I will. You will enjoy today. I love this banana. I love it.
You are welcome.
What is wrong with him?
I don't know.
What I'm even saying is that we're supposed to keep, at least
Keep moving now. That trap, I know what you're talking about, but don't worry. Hannah, can you finish me? Hannah, my guy, what's up?
What is wrong with you? Is anything the matter?
Hannah, talk to us. We're your guys, your men.
Are you angry?
Hannah.
I believe this guy. This guy, every time this guy will be behaving like a woman.
This guy always keeps grudges. Now, let's go back to our discussion.
If you like, make you come back.
Hey! Afekwe. Oh, what do I do? Afekwe, come. Afekwe. Help!
Steve, good afternoon.
Ngozi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Why is your face squeezed like this now?
Steve, I came to collect money to make my hair.
Hey, money again. Ngozi, see, I don't have any money in this shop, please. You have to wait until next week.
Next again? What do you mean by you don't have money now?
Ngozi, the only money in this shop is just 3,000 naira. And the worst of it is that it's not even my money.
So what do you want me to do? Continue tying my hair like this, or okay?
Ngozi, please. I don't know. Please, you have to wait until next week. Try and understand.
See, Steve, I'm not living here. Okay, forever. I'm not living here without any money.
It's open. So you want me to give you somebody's money? The money I just told you is not mine.
Better go in there and collect that money.
Okay, that's what you want, eh?
Yes.
Okay, good.
After you call yourself boyfriend. Oh, you want me to keep on tying my hair like this because of dirty and not kept on men.
Ngozi. Here, take.
Just 3,000 naira.
No, it's 5,000. I just told you the money is not mine and you still want the money and you're asking me it's 3,000. Ngozi, take. Let me have peace, oh? Ngozi. Hey, okay. No problem.
Please, sir. She needs to have some rest. She'll be fine soon.
Doctor, I hope she's not badly injured.
She's okay. She just needs some rest.
Are you sure?
It's alright, Doctor. We've heard all you've said.
Who's there?
Oh, yeah, Kenato. Who are you looking for?
Woman, where is your son? Anna.
My son?
Yes.
I hope there is no problem.
Woman, we don't have time for long talk. Provide your son right here and now.
Hey, Ogazi.
Mama Hannah, your son attacked Afokwe this morning with a big stick. And now he must answer to the police.
Hey! Hannah, Raptam. Ogazi, I'm not aware of this, so...
The police wants him. Mama, where is he? They want him. He must come and answer for what he did.
I don't know where Hannah is. I've not even seen him.
Woman, I may be forced to take you with me to the station.
Eh?
Yes.
Mbanono.
Yes.
Hey, Mbanono. Eh?
He's hiding. Okay, let him hide. He won't hide forever, sir. He won't hide forever. Let's go. Don't worry. We must get him. We must get that idiot.
He's
hiding. We will get him.
Hey. Sorry. Sorry, is it too painful?
My head aches.
Sorry. Sorry. So what do you do about it?
Brother, was he arrested?
Yes, the police has declared him wanted.
Good.
Anyone that sees him will report him to the police. Good. They'll catch him very soon.
Very good. Hey, don't know.
No. How are you?
Huh?
How do you feel? Your head? I'm sorry. Oh? I'll catch him. Let me support you. Oh? They will catch him very soon. He will regret this. Ogazi is here, baby. Oh? Sorry.
Please remove this and this, baby.
Sorry. Sorry. Nothing will happen to you.
Thank God you're back.
Mama, what is it?
I'm fed up with this your stupid lifestyle. Eh? Look at what your stubbornness is about to land you into. In case you do not know, the police are looking for you.
Eh? Mama, police?
Ask me again. John!
But Mama...
One more thing, Hannah. You have to look for where you will lay your hands on tonight, because you are not going to sleep in this house.
Mama, Maka, why now?
Look at this stupid boy, yo. So here. I told you the police are looking for you. You say, Mama, why now? If you're not afraid, come and sleep here. Then in the morning when they catch you, you will know what you did to yourself. Oh, foolish boy.
Afokwe. What is between you and Hannah?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes.
Then why is it that anytime he sees the both of us, he has this anger for me burning inside of him?
I can't really tell. All I know is that he was my senior in secondary school and he normally comes to the house to help me with house chores. That's all I know.
That's all?
That's all, nothing more.
I don't understand why he doesn't like seeing the both of us.
You don't have to bother yourself about that. You can't change how people feel about you. Please tell me, what subject are you going to teach me today? Physics? Mathematics? Igbo?
Emeka, Bieba. I've been looking for you all day. Where have you been?
In Achamoa. Why are you looking for me? Why are you looking for me now?
Emeka Cherry. Listen, I just want to spend the night in your house.
It's again. No Lamoa. Mbao, not in my house. And haven't you heard the police has declared you wanted? Kisho can take the risk of bringing you into my house. Or don't you know it's risky you staying in my house? And they will also get me arrested.
Emeka, you are my friend. Onye Nkegi Kambo, please. Just allow me spend the night in your house. Just one night, please, Biko.
See, this time around, you're on your own. After all, I was not there when everything happened. So you're on your own this time around.
Emeka, you cannot do this to me. Emeka, where are you going? Emeka! Please, you're my friend. Just do this for me. Hey! Chimo, what have I done to myself?
Is anybody home? Is anybody in this house? Papa!
Yes, who is that? How can I help you?
Chendewo.
We are here to see you. You have seen me, now this is me.
Iche, please. We have come to beg you to forgive Ahanna, my son. Please, Iche. Because...
Forgive Ahanna, your son.
Yes.
When he did what he did to my precious daughter, what was he thinking? And you're here now begging me to forgive your son, Ahanna. Yeah?
Iche, please try and understand. It was a mistake. Yes. What happened was a mistake.
Yes. Mistake, right?
Yes.
What if my daughter had died? You will now come here and tell me it's a mistake.
Iche, please. Because now, forgive him. He's still a small boy, please.
Listen. Woman, there's no point kneeling down. The case is no longer in my hands. Akama Fugenia is now in police hands.
Iche, please, tamper justice with mercy. Bikono, please now.
As you know, I was busy at the backyard.
Iche, please now.
Beware.
Iche!
Don't worry. Madam, don't cry. But we need to get Ahanna out of this village before the police gets at him.
Yes, I think so.
But where is he now?
I don't know. I don't even know where my son is. Hey.
We really need to do something about it. He has to get out of here. Because Iche Orihedema is a very dangerous man. And he can go to any length to see that Ahanna is arrested.
Yes, you're right. I will send him to his uncle in Aba. He must live for there.
Please, wipe your tears.
Thank
do something about it.
Cry
no more. Weep no more.
Thank you, sir.
So, my dear, since you still have the headache, you have to stay away from anything that will affect you mentally.
Alright, doctor.
And you have to cut down your time of study. So, you have to take her to a teaching hospital for a brain scan because the attack was close to her brain.
It's okay, no problem. Thank you very much, doctor. I appreciate it. God bless you.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Where is Stu? Where did she keep this Stu?
Take this money, eh? Take the next bus to Aba. At least it will take you to Aba. Go there and stay with your uncle. Hmm?
Okay, Mama.
Listen, do not go and take vehicle from our village motor park. The police might be there looking out for you.
That's true.
Trek to the next village and enter vehicle from there. Eh? Be fast, be quick and be careful.
Okay, Mama. All right. Take care of you, Mama. God, please protect my son.
Olushi, are you mad? Olushi, are you mad? I'm talking and you are talking.
Oh, you expect me to keep quiet while you insult me?
So it has gotten to a point that you can't do what I ask you to do, Olushi.
I will not.
You will not.
I will not.
Olushi, I will slap you.
Slap me now.
I should slap
me.
you.
Yes, stupid, slap me. That's all you know how to do. Slap me.
I should slap you.
Slap me.
Olushi, I should slap you.
I said slap me. Slap me. You don't want to slap me again. Slap me now.
Hello, what is going on? Huh? Why are you guys quarreling? I noticed you were daring him to slap you. He's a man. If he changes his mind, he will slap you. So why don't you just calm down and settle your issues, okay?
Look who is talking. Who made you the judge over us? Eh?
Sorry?
I said who made you the judge over us?
I was not judging.
My friend, keep quiet. Okazamaka or whatever you call yourself, I don't care. See, let me tell you. Who involved you in this case? I'm asking you. I thought you said you went to university. And Okazamaka, I thought you said you went to university and you are here in the village wasting your time looking for small girls to spoil, all in the name of teaching them. See, let me tell you, she's my girlfriend. You can't get her. So you better get your eyes off her.
No, that was not my intention. I never had my eyes on your girlfriend. Why would you say that?
Okazamaka, it is your intention. I know. I knew it. So, no wonder. You did not graduate, Okazamaka. You're just here deceiving us, telling us that you went to university. Big for nothing. Get out of my sight. Oh, are you still here? Ekago.
Brother, welcome. This one came back early. Brother, you cannot buy the fish again.
Ogazi, you were trying to tell me something, again.
Mama, I've thought about it. And I want to go to Abuja.
Go to Abuja, kwa?
Yes.
What are you going to Abuja to do?
To get a job. I have to be doing something before Uncle Ikenna returns from America. I can't just be sitting idle.
Anyway, that's a good idea. But if you get to Abuja, where will you stay? Do you know anybody in Abuja?
I have a friend there. I spoke to him and he's ready to help. He has already invited me over.
I don't know. It's good. That's a good idea. Okay, that's good then. Let me check my garden.
Afokwe.
Yes, Ogazi.
There is something I want to tell you.
What? I hope there's no problem.
No problem. It's just that I'll be going to Abuja. I want to go and look for something to do. Anything.
So, you mean I won't see you again.
No, please. That's not what I mean. Look, I won't be there forever. Okay? I'll come back, I promise. I'll come. Don't cry. No. Okay, please don't cry. You know the doctor said the attack was close to the brain. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you cry.
It's alright. Can you stay and leave after my wife?
No.
That is the problem.
I have to go and get a job. Please. I want you to understand. I'm not leaving you. I swear I'm not. Please. My love. Obin. You know I love you.
Someone might be watching.
Come this way. I promise you love it.
It's okay now. Why are you looking like this? He's just going to Abuja. And before you know it, he'll be back.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll be back. It's not forever.
Sorry, it's okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Love,
brother, I'll equally miss you too.
Seriously. I'll miss you.
I hope you guys will take care of her while I'm away.
Definitely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
It's okay.
Nothing bad is happening. I'll be back.
Just take care of yourself.
Yes, baby.
May God protect you from me.
Amen.
Be careful. Be careful. Chop one story.
Okay.
Huh?
Your daughter.
My daughter?
Yes.
What happened to her?
She's at home. She's very, very sick.
Hey!
When I saw her, she looked like somebody that wants to die.
Hey! Jesus, my daughter.
Maaziri Edima, the result of the test shows that your daughter is 6 weeks pregnant.
Stop them. Don't move an inch. Just choose which one to die with. The gun or the machete. Choose one fast. Or you tell me who got you pregnant. Fast.
You're stupid. I'll kill you.
Sister. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Sir, please. I came to beg you to please take your daughter back. Please, I am begging you. Forgive her.
Did she tell you what she did?
Yes, she did.
Sister, the fact is that she has refused to tell me who got her pregnant.
Mazi, you know, children of nowadays, they are bound to make mistakes. But we cannot throw away the child with the bath water. She did not tell me who got her pregnant. But please, I am begging you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ to forgive her and take her back.
Sister, she must tell me who got her pregnant, else...
Sir, please, I am begging you. When the time comes, she will speak. Please.
When will that time come? When will that time come? So I should father a child I don't even know who got her mother pregnant? No. Sister, please. It will not work. It won't work.
Mazi, she is still your daughter. She is still your daughter. Please, forgive her and take her back. Please. I am begging you. Take her back.
Mama! Oh, Mama, what is it? Mama, I've gained admission to the university. Yes.
You've gained admission into the university?
Yes, Mama. Take a look.
Oh,
Mama.
So you've gained admission into the university?
Yes, Mama.
Yeah, I am now going to have 2 graduates in my family.
Exactly, Mama.
Hey! Opposite yellow. Ota kebe. Chinekemka, asimgika, Chinekemka, asimgika, Chinekemka, asimgika, Chinekemka, asimgika.
And what is it? Again.
I am back. The result is out and I made it!
Is that why you're jumping up? I am not moved by the news. Because that result you're holding is of no use. Yes.
But I don't understand. I'm telling you that I made my WAEC and you're telling me that it's of no use.
You want to understand what I mean? I mean that you have chosen to become the mother of an illegitimate child over going to the university. Now let me ask you a question. How many of your mates that wrote this exam are pregnant? How many? Huh? Now you see what you have done to yourself? The result is out. It's out now. What will you do? You have chosen to be a fool. You've disgraced yourself. Ngwa, carry the pregnancy and enter university. Useless fool. Don't call my name again. Papa buku onwe gide. Kadia to taku oni men. Numpam.
Mama the mama. Mama, I'm back.
Welcome.
I'm back. Thank you.
How is Abuja?
Abuja is okay, but things are hard, Mama.
I know.
Well, I just have to pass.
We missed you.
Oh, I missed you. I missed you.
That's awesome. Who do we have here?
Oh,
you are my
son.
Can you imagine?
Don't
tell me this is a coincidence. How did you know he's coming back?
Mama, my spirit.
You're welcome.
Oh, I'm glad to see everybody.
I am going to keep his bag. Take his bag inside.
Oh, let's go.
How was the trip?
Oh, it was good. It was good.
So, how is Abuja?
Well, I thank God. But things are hard.
I thought as much because I know you don't know anyone there. So, how did you cope?
Yeah. My friend Ifeanyi helped to get me a menial job. And I was able to raise money for your jam form. I thought you would be happy.
That won't be necessary.
Your jam form won't be necessary. How do you mean? Foko, what is wrong?
Ogaze,
Yes.
I am pregnant.
What?
Yes.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness, I'll be a father. Have you told anyone?
Yes. My father is aware, but I didn't tell him who is responsible.
What are you waiting for?
I was waiting to hear from you. Should I?
Yes! You should go ahead and tell him, baby. Afrekwe, thank you. I love you too. I love you so much. So I'll be a father.
Yes, to a baby girl.
Yeah, baby girl.
Yes, beautiful baby girl.
And what are we going to name her?
Afrekwe Junior.
Done. 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 I love you. That's so darling. Oh, I can't believe this. Yes! Thank you, God. Thank you. Baby. Oh, Afrekwe, my darling. Mwah. Mama.
What is it? Our guinea.
Mama, Afrekwe is pregnant for me.
Wow! Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Really?
She confirmed it to me.
Wow! This is good news.
You're happy?
Of course I am.
Oh, good.
I am happy. Eh?
Yes.
So I'm going to become a grandmother.
Yes, Mama.
A young grandmother at that.
Brother, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
So soon I'll have a niece.
So how are you sure it's going to be a niece?
Whatever niece, anyone, as long as I'll become an
She'll
auntie.
be an auntie, you know?
This is good news.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm
Thank
happy.
you.
Yes,
Thank
that's
you.
good.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
Mama, I hope people know what you're doing.
I don't understand.
Because the way I'm saying this thing, I don't think it will work.
Why won't it work?
Ngozi, you're supposed to be happy for me. What do you mean?
Brother, don't you know that if Uncle Ikenna gets to find out that you got someone pregnant, he might change his mind about taking you to America. Rather, he will give you money to get married and take care of your wife and your child. And that will stop you from traveling. I'm sure that's not what you want for yourself. Or do you want to end up in this village?
Father, I want to tell you something.
What is it?
I want to tell you who is responsible for my pregnancy.
Rosaline! Rosaline! Rosa! Come out and ask me that question.
No, you're welcome. I hope all is well.
How can all be well when your son Ogazamaka got my daughter pregnant? Eh? How can all be well?
Is she pregnant?
Of course! Where is your son? That's the question.
He's not around.
When is he coming back?
I don't know. He actually went to receive his uncle that just came back from America. So I don't know when he's coming back.
Whether he has gone to receive his uncle that came back from America or heaven or hell, I don't care. Just tell him that I'll be back. Tell him that I'll be back.
Hey!
Hello, Ogazi.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm in Enugu. I came to pick up my uncle who just got back from overseas. Is there any problem?
My father and I went to your house. But we didn't see you.
To my house?
Yes.
What for now? Why? What happened?
Because of the pregnancy.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. You know what? Once I get back, I will let you know. I promise.
Just take care of yourself. Let me know when you come back.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Papa.
Papa,
Papa.
we are going to Ogazamaka's house now.
Papa, what?
I said you should prepare. We are going there. You're asking me what for? As I'm talking to you now, that young man is at home now.
Papa, no now. It's not possible. I was speaking with him when you came in. He told me that he's not back, that he'll let me know when he comes back.
Afwekwe, don't get me angry. Go and prepare now.
Papa, I said he's not back. He said he will call me when he comes back.
I said don't get me angry.
Wait, he just said he's not back.
So you're back?
Back.
Huh? Where is your mother? Now say, where is your mother?
My mother.
Chimo, Ogazi. Ogazi. You told me you were still in Enugu.
I was...
So you lied to me, Ogazi. You lied to me.
Shh. You don't have anything to say. Go and call your mother for me. Go and call your mother.
Okay, I'll call her, sir.
Be good. Go and call your mother. Have you seen it?
Jesus.
Mathematics teacher.
Huh? Ifugia? Ako onye aghọrịrị ka agba. Una anụgo mmasị.
Rosaline, your son here, Ogazamaka, got my daughter pregnant. So, young man, what are you saying?
I don't get you, sir. You said your daughter got pregnant for who?
What do you mean by I don't get you, sir? I said she's pregnant for you. And you say I don't get you, sir. Are you trying to deny it or what?
Mazi, my son did not get your daughter pregnant.
Huh?
Yes. My son did not get her pregnant.
You better go and look for the person responsible for that bastard in your tummy.
Say something now. Say something you never go about. Like black fish. Tell him that that he got you pregnant. What? Say something now.
Mazi Chirekwao, just hold it there. Mazi, hold it. But by the way, my son has been away for a while and he just got back. So how can you now accuse him of impregnating your daughter?
How?
This is funny.
This is no more funny, Mama. This is nonsense. It's nonsense. You better go out there and find the person that got you pregnant. Yeah. And so putting any responsibility. What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? Mama, I thought they were joking. Honestly. How can you accuse me of getting you pregnant? After all I did for you? Huh? After all the time I wasted tutoring you, wasting my education on you? This is how you pay me back? How dare you? How do you accuse me? What nonsense is this? No, Mama, if not for your sake, and this old man here, what nonsense? Leave my house! Out! What nonsense?
Imagine. Bianwa, you better go and pack your clothes where you hung them. Go and look for who got you pregnant.
Don't you ever mention my name again. What nonsense? Imagine how they're paying me back, Mama.
Come and sit down.
Huh?
Sit down, Mama.
Don't
mind them.
This is unbelievable. Mama, honestly, when we started this conversation, I thought they were joking.
You, I know you. You're my son. I know you. Don't mind them. Hey, can you imagine? Yeah. How do you go? Eh? Madigan no na be no no pira pura.
Brother. You were not sounding fine yesterday when you called. I hope everything is alright.
Mbechi, all is not well.
What do you mean?
Afuekwe has made me a laughing stock in this village.
How? I don't understand.
Afuekwe is pregnant.
What? No, it's not possible. How can?
My face is covered with shame. I don't know where to start. I don't know.
Please, 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 tell me this is a joke.
The worst of it is that Afuekwe cannot point a finger to the person that got her pregnant.
How?
Afuekwe!
Afuekwe! Afuekwe!
Hey!
Afuekwe! Where is she? Where is she? Afuekwe!
Oh!
What is this I'm hearing? Eh? That you're pregnant? Afuekwe, you will tell me here and now who is responsible for this baby you're carrying. Start talking, my friend. Who is responsible for this pregnancy? Auntie. Eh? Hi. So you want to bring shame to this family? Eh? Oh my God. Look at you. Hey! So you want to bring shame to this family? It will never work for you. Start talking now. Auntie, you must tell me.
Mama, my visa is out. I've got my visa. I've got my visa. I'm going to America. Mama, look at it.
You go to America.
United States of America.
Hey, God, I thank you.
Yes, sir.
I thank you.
Mama, I'm going to America. I'm going to America. Mama, this is real.
Yes, this must be celebration.
Yes, Mama.
Go and bring that wine.
Mama, we need to celebrate.
Hey, God, I thank you. Going to America. God bless my brother.
Oh, thank you,
God
Jesus.
will bless my brother.
I have my visa.
Yes.
Afuekwe. You better go and look for something to eat, or do you want to continue your hunger strike? Huh? Go and look for what you will eat. No. What can we just try to get? Go and look for something to eat. Let me go find it.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, I know after a while, come and take all of us to
Yes,
visit
so
our-
I will work hard and buy a house, and then a car, and once I get that, I'll prepare for your visas and bring you.
What kind of job?
No,
like
Mama,
in
you will not
America?
work. Mama, you will just be eating.
No, I can do
and be
nanny.
resting.
They say people, old women do nanny in America.
No, not my mother. How can my mother be nanny?
Brother, do you know what you buy for me?
Okay, tell me.
You buy me a phone, a very big one.
Big phone.
Yes.
Okay.
Brazilian hair.
Yeah.
Very long one.
Brazilian hair.
Yes.
Because I'm going to America, not Brazil. Can't come with Brazilian hair.
Hair now, the
I
hair.
cut somebody's hair in America and ask them if they are Brazil
Hold on, brother. May you buy me beautiful clothes,
Okay.
jewelry,
Okay.
My own
and
very
a
true.
nice hair,
Okay.
and also shoes.
This is serious. Mama, wait. Nkiru. All these things you're demanding, it seems you want to join Nollywood. Eh? You want to start acting. Don't worry, I will send you enough.
Okay.
So that you'll be showing them off on TV,
Thank
no?
you.
Yes.
Oh, let's go. Mama.
Mama, cheers. Cheers.
Okazi. Isemba. Okazi. 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 Ichi Simba. Okazi. Okazi. Okazi.
Yeah, walking.
Mama?
Baby Naga.
Oh, Mama,
Where are you going to?
I want to go and see her first.
Eh? See her for what?
Mama, she's carrying my child. I want to see her at least for the last time before I travel.
Okazi, you are not seeing any Afuekwe.
I just want to say goodbye. Let me just see her for the last time, Mama. I'm traveling.
I say you're not seeing that girl. It's another. You won't see her. Eh? Lenoge. Ana agogibi gane do afọ. Ana egosigi izo isi no imakpo ni mafia kagema. What are you seeing her for? Don't you know that girl's pregnancy almost ruined your chances of traveling out of this country? Now you want to go and see her.
But Mama, she's pregnant for me. I'm already traveling. Let me just see her for the last time. Just to say goodbye, that's all.
And I said you won't see her because I don't know if she's going to give you money. Or is she giving you any money? Is she contributing in any way to your traveling out of this country? If not for Ngozi, your sister, you would have been in a very deep mess by now. You're not going anywhere. You have to be wise. Be wise, my son. Okay, Nanuya. Who came back when you enter the house? I say go inside. Na fugo mo na fu ekwe. Ifu cha yi ga-ekwere.
Ogazi sikwa mba. Kedu ihe nwere ikwu n'okwu a? Ị ga-asịkwa mba.
Ọkụ ị na-achị ọchị, ị nọrọ ebe a nụwa, Ogazi asị m mba. Ogazi, ọkụ isi mba. Asụsụkwa na mba o. Mba is not good. Ekwuzikwa na mba, ị na-ene m anya. Ọ sị m mba. Unu agbazikwa na bọọlụ ebe ahụ na Ogazi asịgo m mba na na-agba bọọlụ. Ogazi. Mana isi na m mba.
Kedu ihe na-atọ gị ọchị? Ka ị na-atọ gị ọchị, why are you laughing? Ọkwa ị na ebe a nụwa, Ogazi asị m mba. Ogazi, isigo m mba.
Mba adịrọ n mmanụ. Ogazi rapụkwa m aka o. Rapụ m aka. Ị na-ejide m aka. Na-asụ m mba. Ogazi, ooo. Ogazi echuzine mmiri. Echuzine. Pụta na mmiri. Pụta na mmiri.
Thank you so much.
Anything for my sister.
Abi? Okwaya?
You are like a mother to me.
Yes. Where is he? Ogazamaka! What can Potaba? Do you want to go late?
Ogazamaka, we are going to miss our flight.
Or you don't want to go to America again?
No, Mama. Mama, I'm ready, Mama.
Don't want to go to America again.
Hey. Mama.
Hey, Mom. I'm going to miss you. God will be with you. Here, Jenudo, Patanudo. You shall succeed in your journey.
Make sure you study hard so you can gain admission into your university.
Alright, Uncle.
Ngozika,
Uncle.
you are still undecided on what you want to do. You can't keep staying at home. Think of what you do.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Uncle.
All right, let's go.
Brother, give them okay. Bye-bye.
Take care of yourself.
Don't forget to write us.
I will,
please
Mama.
do.
Take care of
Bye-bye.
yourself. Mama, I'll snap pictures and show you.
Bye. Oh, Mama, I miss brother. Oh, we miss him.
Brother, as I was saying, let's take Afrique to Aloysius at Umova.
Aloysius, the one that cures madness.
Yes, him.
Eh? Are you trying to tell me that my daughter is mad?
Brother, this is not about your daughter being mad or not. What we want is a remedy to this situation. Or don't you want her to be well?
I want her to be well, but not Aloysius' place. Can you hear yourself? Where they cure mad people. Don't just go there, beg.
For how long are you going to manage this situation? Tell me, for how long? The earlier we take her there, the better for us. What just happened? Afekwe!
Onye mụrụ n'anya
ebe kam geje.
Madam, what is it? I'm sorry. I thought you are my niece. Sorry, sorry.
What are you doing here? Afwekwe, what are you doing here? Afwekwe, what happened to you? Afwekwe, it's me, Nkiru.
Father, neba. Neba. Ofumba.
It's me, Nkiru. Nkiru, NK, it's me. Afwekwe, come, let's go.
Father, Abiago.
Afwekwe.
Umunna. Arrête.
Please, come, let's go.
Mama.
Please, come, let's go. Where come my friend? Kiri, Mama, you're back. Yes. No, Mom. You're welcome. How is school?
School is fine. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, as you can see.
This week is our students' week, so I decided to come spend it with you people.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you. You're welcome, eh?
What about Sister Ngo?
Oh, Ngozi, she just stepped out now to see her friend.
Oh, okay.
You're welcome, eh?
Thank you, Mama. That reminds me, Mama. I saw Afwekwe at Nkweri village. Mama, she looks like one that is mentally sick. I think she needs help.
Is you?
Yes.
So, how does it concern you? I mean, how does it affect you? What is your business in that?
Mama, that child she is carrying is your grandchild. Do you know?
Onyome Emeka, Onyome Emmanuel. So, what do you intend to do about it now? I mean, how are you going to help her?
Mama, Afwekwe is heavily pregnant, and it seems she's going to give birth at any time. So she needs our help.
I hear you, Mother Teresa. When you're done thinking of how to help Afwekwe, you can come inside and keep your bag.
Oh, God. Please help her.
Mazi already.
Sister.
How is Afwekwe? I hope she's doing
good. Sister. Afwekwe is now mad. In fact, as I speak to you, we don't know her whereabouts.
Mazi, what do you mean she's now mad? How come?
The man she said that got her pregnant denied the pregnancy. And since then, she started behaving strange until it got to this stage.
I am very sorry. I am very sorry. You see, for some time now, I have not been around. I was transferred to the cathedral. That is why I've not been coming to see her. I'm sorry.
Sister, that is how we saw it. Afuekwe is now mad. Who knows where she is now?
Don't worry. She will be fine. We will pray for her. I will personally put her in prayer. There is nothing our Lord Jesus Christ cannot do. She will be fine. We have to be strong and put her in prayer. She will be okay.
Ogazi. Ogazi, pose. Pose! Boya, boya. Ogazi. 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 Oh. Love. 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 No. Dar iwuro Ogazi.
Mba.
Ogazi.
Ada ya. O bravo.
Ogazi. Ogazi, stay, Ogazi.
Stop. Ogazi. It's not good. Stop. It's not good. Ogazi just left out. Stop.
Ogazi.
Stop. It's okay now.
Ọkọ si mba. Ewu na-agba bọọlụ ka ndị ekiri ewu ebe ọ na-agba bọọlụ. Ogazi si mba, fada abịago kwa ụmụnna na-echekwe. Akwa wedding. Onye telo a disappoint ya m. Telo, onye telo a disappoint ya m.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Can you come inside so I drop you wherever you're going to, okay?
No, thank you.
No, you can't be under the sun. It's too harsh on you. Come in. Just come inside, alright? Come, I'll drop you. Come on.
Thank you.
You too. You're welcome. My name is Collins. I am from this village. What's your name?
My name is Nkiru.
Alright, Nkiru. So where do you say you're going to?
I'm going to see a friend.
When you get there, you let me know so I'll drop you, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
think I have to go and check over there.
All right.
Yes, come on. Good afternoon, sir. Please, I'm looking for a mad girl. Yes, light in complexion. I don't know if she's there. Okay, over there. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Well done, thank you. They said she's over there. So let's go there and check.
You mean you don't know where she stays?
Not really, but I think we have to go there and check.
It's alright,
ourselves.
let's go.
You just wait here while I go and check up on the woman.
No. I want to go with you. Can't I go with you?
No, I don't think it's necessary.
I want to save this woman. Please, let me just go with you. I insist.
Okay, if you insist. Let's go. Good day. This is, I'm looking for one young lady. She looks mad and she's heavily pregnant. I was directed to come here.
You mean the mad lady? She's inside.
She just gave birth now. That's why we are all here.
Thank God. Okay.
No. No enter there. The woman dey house. She no want to see anybody at all. No enter there.
Yes, she's very, very aggressive.
I beg.
Please, just leave her for now.
That this guy, he's a friend to my boyfriend. He actually wants us to go to him, but spend the weekend.
Is that why you called me? How did it affect me?
I told him everything about you, so he has interest in you.
Ha! Oh, please. You know I'm not into all these things, and me following a guy to Enugu. I don't like all those things now. But I'm not into it, because.
Bikopa. Don't just fall my hand. What do you mean by you're not into all those things? Eh? Bikopa. Are you a village girl? Or you still want to remain a village girl you are?
Juliet, you are not insulting me, okay? You are not calling me a village girl.
I'm not insulting you, my friend. See. Just pretend. Wow. Bye.
Yeah, Juliet, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Good.
Thank you. My this Ngozi is my.
Oh, Ngozi, you're so pretty. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice. Now, Juliet, why don't I take you girls out for dinner?
Okay, no problem. Let me just talk to my girls.
Good. Come on. Sit.
That's the place there.
Okay.
Yes. Just go straight.
That's where we're going to.
No, I'm sorry. I can't go with you. Please, I need to go back home. Please, just go straight. Yeah, that's it.
Right, so this path will lead me to the house.
Yeah, that's the house. I'm sorry, I can't join you there. I need to go back home and give my mom this.
Come. Let's have this.
No.
For yourself. Thank you very much.
No. Thank you, sir. I don't need it.
Have it.
Thank you. Thank you. No. Thank you so much.
Are you serious? Bye-bye. Who's there?
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Who are you looking for?
Well, my name is Collins. I am from Umunkwere village. I have something important to tell you.
Something important?
Yes.
What could that be?
You are Afokwe's father, right?
Yes.
I saw her.
You saw her? Who?
Your daughter.
My daughter?
Yes.
Where?
In Umunkwere village, somewhere there. It's my village.
Your village?
Yes.
Please, I beg of you. You will take me there now. Because.
Huh? That's why I'm here.
My God will bless you. I'm coming. Just a minute, eh? Just a minute, eh?
Good evening, my dear. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine.
How did it go?
Well, everything went fine. We were able to take her to the hospital and she's doing well. The baby is also kicking well.
Thank God. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you.
It's alright. I had to do what I'm supposed to do. Helping the poor girl.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
It's alright.
Let me quickly hurry back home before my mom starts looking for me.
Alright, it's alright.
I'll see you some other time.
That's perfect.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Alright, bye.
How are you?
I'm fine. Can't you see I'm fine?
What is it? Did anybody offend you?
No.
Okay, well, I want to know. Why have you been avoiding me? You don't pick my calls and you have not replied any of my messages.
See, Steve, or what's that your name? Let me tell you something. Water has level, in case you don't know.
What do you mean by that?
See, Steve, we did what we did when I was still naive and local. I am no longer your girlfriend.
Ewo. Ngozi, after all I did for you.
Nakwa, look who is talking. What did you do for me? Ordinary one pants, see, chemist owner. Just take a very good look at me. Look at me very well. From my head to my toe. My slippers, this is Chanel. In case you don't know, cause this is money. Eh? How much do you even think you have? Chana believe na buy it for chemist. Oh, you chana buy kanalo aka ni case ni me okuya.
Mwa Steve, ordinary chemist man.
See, Steve, the earlier you understand that I'm no longer your girlfriend, the better for you.
Because what has come over you?
Why am I even standing here talking nonsense with this idiot?
Ngozi, Mwa Steve.
Ordinary chemist man, when you were busy collecting my money, my 1 naira, you did not know I'm an ordinary chemist man. Now, you little go.
I have something for you.
And what could that be?
I want you to marry me, please. Will you marry me?
This is so beautiful.
Mama, guess. Guess what, Mama? What now? Oh, guess now.
Kiru, what is it? Guess. Ogini, what is it?
Don't tell me this is an engagement ring.
Yes, Mama.
Oh my God.
Collins proposed to me and I said yes to his proposal.
He did? Yes. Wow. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy for you. Thank you, Mama. This is beautiful.
Wait, Nkiru. You mean you just accepted a proposal? Just like that? Do you think marriage is something you can just rush into?
And what do you mean by that?
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say, my dear sister, is that you should have asked him to give you some time to think about it. That is, if this is the right time. Because I don't think you're matured enough to get married now.
What do you mean this is not the right time? And how can you say that she's not mature to get married?
She's not matured now.
I was not even up to her age when I got married. So how can you say she's not mature? My dear, don't mind your sister. Don't mind her. So, I'm going to have a son-in-law.
Yes.
A rich son-in-law like that.
Very soon.
My daughter, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Yes, who is there?
It's me.
Oh. Collins.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Alright, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sir, I came to see you and also know how Afwekwe and the baby are faring.
They are fine. That's no problem. It's just that Afwekwe goes out with her baby and comes back home at the end of the day.
Okay. Sir, I brought my wife for you to see. Oh yes, I mean the girl I want to marry.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
It's outside there.
It's all right. Let's go. Collins.
That is good.
Yes.
Collins.
NK, come out. Yes.
Good day, sir.
Sir, I understand how you feel. But I want you to know that without Nkiru here, I wouldn't have met Afwekwe, let alone offering to bring her home.
Well, I've heard all you said. Nkiru,
sir,
I'm very happy for what you and Collins did. I really appreciate. One thing remaining. I want to let you all know that I won't honor your traditional wedding invitation, but you have my blessings.
Thank you very much, sir. I understand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What are you doing? You're bathing this baby with this dirty water. Yeah? The water you use in washing.
Leave my baby for me. Leave my baby for me. Are you a thief?
My friend, stop this nonsense. Stop it. Come on, give me it.
Give me the baby. Leave my son alone. My son.
Look at dirty water. Oh, what nonsense is this? Eh?
Mama, good afternoon.
Hey, Ngozi, welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Ngozi, who was that just dropped you?
Oh, that's Mike, my friend.
I am no longer comfortable with your undefined relationship.
Mama, what is the problem?
Come to again one. ọ bụ na ọkpụ isi amara akpụ isi ka ọ bụ na agụba dịrọ nkọ ke nke ọnwụ.
Mama, ọkpụ isi ma akpụ isi and agụba dị nkọ.
Your younger sister Nkiru has long been married and you're still in this house. What are you waiting for?
Stop comparing me with Nkiru. Mama, leave me alone. I'm not foolish. I know what I'm doing.
People are mocking you. People are mocking you. Hey, Chineke. Chineke nkwalo maka nwatakịrị nke biko kwa. Yeah. Ọ dị egwu.
Isi kuru ebe nwa na biko. Afọ ekwe. Afọ ekwe. Where has she gone with her child? This girl will not put me into trouble. Kevin Jisi we kuru ebe nwa na biko. Where am I going to start looking for her now?
Good afternoon.
Take him.
I'm fine, no. It's not like you're talking to yourself. Hope all is well.
All is not well at all. Is it not Afwekwe that I left at home? Now that I'm back, I couldn't find her and the baby.
Afwekwe that I saw displaying in the market with her baby.
Huh?
Yes, Afwekwe.
You saw her displaying?
Yes, I'm just coming from the market.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Let me.
Okay.
Not around. You want to see Ogazi?
Afwekwe. So this is what it has gotten to.
We are looking for Ogazi.
Anna, give me that baby.
No, it's my son. Ogazi. Ogazi, no need my son. It's my son.
This way.
In this life, what we be for this life. My child, where's my child? I want to carry my child. My son! I want to see my son! What did you know? You don't know him. What did you know? Hey! My son. What did you know? What did you know? Oh no, Bim. I love my son. No. We don't know Bim.
want to take you away. Mano, you don't know him. Oh, yeah, come to me. Come to me. You don't know him. Him. He's my son. Yes. What did not be more? What did not be more?
Where is my son? Eh? Auntie, where is my son? Do you want to sell my son? Do you want to sell my son? I don't want anything to happen to my son, no.
For the 5th time, your son is right here with me. And nobody is taking him away. Bait fast and come out and carry your child.
Don't take my son out, though. Do not carry him out of my sight. Once I am done, I will bath him. Mwam Dinobim will take his bath with his mother.
I know.
This child is inside my heart. Every other person, Nonime, Miri, but Mwam is inside my heart. I love my son. I don't know you. Inside this heart, that is where my son is. And nobody can come inside this heart and take you. Mom, I don't know you. Auntie?
Eh?
We are going back.
Eh?
Go. Okay. No, Auntie, come back. Don't go away with my child. Do you want to steal my baby?
I am not stealing your child. Nobody is taking him away. Huh? I'm no biggie. Be fast.
I'm not being called now. Stay there so I'll be seeing you. I don't want stories.
Brother, I think we should allow Afrique to be going out, since she always comes back home.
You think that will be wise?
Yes, brother.
Because I don't want her to harm herself or the baby.
No, she will not. If we continue keeping her this way, she might be tempted to commit suicide one day.
Hmm?
Yes.
It's okay, I've heard you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Brother, you know it's a long journey back to Amuj. So let me be going.
Yes.
Take care of them, oh?
Try my best. Iburu akpa gị. Jee butere akpa gị.
How much is the Yogo? 50. You bring her down, bring 2 more.
It's very, very big. Give me money. Give me money. Boya brother. Okazi Simba. Ewu ejebego meeting. Hachi ifu Ogazi. O Simba. Ogazi.
Madam, you are very, very lucky she asks you for money. She does not accept money from people. Today that she asks you for money, you should be very happy.
Is this not Okazamaka? What is he doing back here with the tall clothes? Are you sure he's okay? He's supposed to be in America by now. I just hope everything is alright.
Your decision today, make it to tomorrow. One more of Papa, I don't know.
Mama. In fact, Mama, my stay in America had been from one problem to another. From one issue to another. How all these things started, I don't know. I had no idea. I mean, Mama, I've been to prison 3 times. 3 good times I was sent to prison.
3 times?
Yes.
Hey!
It was the 4th time that made them deport me.
Ezioku. Hey, mami tabu ngoge na afu. Eh? How about my brother, your uncle?
He was very disappointed at me, Mama. He said that I drew the attention of the government towards him because of all these problems. He threw me out of his house. As we speak right now, Mama, he does not know my whereabouts. He did not call. He didn't care at all. In fact, it's a miracle that I came back to this country alive.
Ezioku. Hey! Mami tabu ngoge na afu.
So how about these bruises all over your body?
Hey, man. Saw this. Huh? What happened to you? Look at your body. Look at your hand. Eh? Your face. Ogini, what happened to you?
When I came back to Nigeria, some area boys attacked me. And took away the little money and some clothes that I came back with.
Hey!
I had to fight them. That's all I had. I fought back. And that's why they tore my clothes and broke my head.
Hey!
If not for good Samaritans around, I would have been left there for dead.
You mean you went through all this? You passed through all this?
Mama, do you know how I came back to this village? No. Do you have any idea how I came back here?
No.
I had to jump into a truck filled with cows and goats. I laid on their feces.
Hey.
So that I will not be detected by the driver and the conductor. Because if they saw me along the road, they would have told me to come down in the middle of the express. Maybe that's when my life would have been over.
Eh? You need to tell me that you traveled with goats and cows. Hey, no wonder. No wonder you sing bing. Hey, Mami tabu ngoge na afufu.
Mama, this is not ordinary. How can all these things be happening just like that? Mama, we need to seek for a solution.
I quite agree with you, Ngozi.
There is a problem somewhere.
Hey, Ngozi, you're not far from the truth. There is a problem somewhere.
Mama, I came back from America with nothing.
Hey!
What this is, they're not ordinary now. You know this is happening to one person. So woman now one.
Mama, come out of this house. If you're in there, your son is back.
Who is that?
Ahana is back in town.
Ahana is this
Mama, this is me.
Ahana.
Mama.
Hey! My son.
Mama.
Mama, Ahana.
This is me. Check me out. Your son is not a nigger. Your son is having it. This car. Mama is my car.
Eh?
Eh? This is my Arrow S300 Lexus XUV.
Hey!
Mama, check it out. Hey, go deep. Mama, hey, go deep. Hey,
Hey! Nah, should I enter?
Enter! Mama, away from the man over there. You will roll in this car. Leather seat. AC factory fitted. Mama, you go cruise this car. Mama, you your food. I can't wait. Mama, I have really missed your food. I tell you. So tasty, so nice. Mama, there is this man I met in Aba. Just because I helped him carry his goods into his car, he introduced me to his business. Leather business. Leather they use in making bags, shoes and all that. Mama, he has been helping me.
Thanks, sir.
In no time I made it. I made it. That's how I made it.
Hey.
Mama. How is that for a question? See, Mama, she's one of the reasons I came back.
I hope there is no problem.
Mama, I need to see her father. Because I must marry that girl. Afekwe is the woman I want to marry. The only woman I want to marry in this life.
Okay. In that case, I will follow you to their house tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow? You follow me? This is why I love you, Mama. Mama.
No.
Take. Mama, but this is not the way to Afroekwe's house.
I know.
You know and you want us to negotiate through this part. Why?
Don't worry. I want us to pass through the market so that we can pick up a befitting gift for Afroekwe. You know you just came back. You cannot just go to their house empty-handed.
Well, Mama, you should have told me since now. That's so thoughtful of you.
I should have told you. That's why we took here.
Mama, you're a woman of a kind. Okay, let's go this way.
I want to show you something. Look at that girl over there.
She looks like Afroekwe.
She's Afroekwe.
What?
That is the girl you want to marry.
What happened to her? You attend to her now.
Get up, member. So, when you left for Aba, it was discovered that Afroekwe was pregnant for Ogazi. But Ogazi denied her and traveled out. The
It affected her mentally. That was how she became mad. My son, I know how you feel. But it is not enough for you to drown yourself in beer. Eh? You will find a good girl to marry. Don't worry, you will.
What's this?
God, this useless man! You know you're useless! You see what you've done to Afekwe? Huh?
You see what you've done to her? Oh, after all the love she showed you. What did you do to her? You made her mad. You, Ogazi. Don't worry. You see you? You are so lucky today that you're not on the highway. I would have run over you and kill you because you deserve to die. Yes. Yes. And look at me. Ahanna. I'm not a big boy. Largest boy. Rolling on my SUV. And you, a graduate. What have you to show for it? Nothing! Nothing to show for it! But all you could do is to deceive that poor girl. And look at what you've landed her into. Let me tell you this. You will pay. You will pay for everything you've done to her. Rubbish.
My dear, I don't know what is wrong with my brother these days. In fact, it's a nightmare. I'm even afraid of going back to that house because I don't know what will happen to me. I don't know if they injected him over there before coming back.
I think someone has bewitched him.
Bewitched?
Yes. Oh, wait. You think he's ordinary? You think he came back all the way by himself? The same person that made them to deport him. The same person that is still chasing him till today.
So what are we going to do? Because me, I don't go to church. And my mother does not go to church either. I don't even know any native doctor. I'm so confused. Hey.
Don't worry. I know about this girl in Umweke, the nurse village. She's very powerful. She's a prophetess. I think she will give you a solution to your problem.
Are you serious?
Yes. I've heard so much about her.
Okay, so when are we going to see her? When are we going to see this girl?
Whenever you're ready, just let me know.
Alright. I will talk to my mother and my brother. Then I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Let me start going. Thank you.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
I know why you're here. You're here because of your son's problem.
Yes. Is there any solution to his problem?
The solution to your problem lies within you. Innocent voices are crying over your head. Nothing will go well until you make amends. Listen, the Bible says be at peace with all men. It also says when a man's way is pleasing before God, he will make even his enemies to be at peace with him. Do you understand?
Afekwe. It's me, Okazamaka.
What do you want? Huh? What do you want?
I'm here to help you.
You want to steal my child, okay? Go away! Go! You want to steal my child?
Sorry.
Okonkwo did not get him, but now you're crying.
Oh, wait, man. You should try. Wait. Ewu is calling us. Ewu is calling us now.
Mama! Mama! Where is she? Mama! Come out, oh! Mama! Mama!
Ogini!
Mama, come out! Come out!
Okazamaka Ogini, why are you shouting my name like that? What is it? You saw the forget man, why are you shouting my name like that?
Mama, I'm just coming from the market. And Afekwe could not recognize me. She doesn't know who I am, Mama. She couldn't recognize me.
What do you expect? She's not well now. Yeah, she's mad. So what do you expect?
She's mad, Okuya. That's what you have to say. She's mad. Mama. Huh? You people better undo what you did or nobody will have peace in this house. I swear. Nobody will have peace in this house.
And what do you mean by what we did? What did we do?
Are you not the cause of all this problem? Huh? Are you not the cause of our condition? Hey, Mama? I saw Afekwe with my child. She's with my child in the middle of nowhere and she could not recognize me. There will be no peace in this house, I swear. Get ready. I will raise hell in this house. Okay, Chalo. No more TV, no more radio. I will break everything. Where's Ngozi? Ngozi!
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Huh? What do you want?
We came to talk to you about what happened.
What happened?
Mazi, you know what I'm talking about. It's about my son, Okazamaka. You know he's only but a child. Please forgive him. Forgive us.
I don't know what you are talking about.
Mazi.
I said I don't know what you're talking about and I don't even want to know. So what you have to do is to leave my house. Just leave.
Mazi, please. Let bygone be bygone. We beg of you. Forgive us.
Please forgive us, sir.
I said leave. Are you deaf?
Mazi.
Leave my house.
Mazi Bizioniko. Oh, forgive us. I'm busy inside. Mazi
Please, sir.
Please forgive, eh?
Sir, please forgive.
Let bygone be bygone. Mazi, please, hear us out the more. What do we do? What do we do now?
Don't know. Mama.
Are you going somewhere?
I'm going back now.
Hey! Oh, so you have finished packing?
Of course now. My bags are in the boot, including the yam and Gary.
Prepare something for you now.
Oh, Mama, that will be necessary for now. You know I have to go back to the city before it will be late. Mama, you think I don't know what your problem is? Your problem is that you don't want me to go back. But let me promise you one thing. Before Christmas, I will come back with a beautiful woman
I will marry.
That will be very good. Make sure she has good character.
Mama, I will bring the best of a woman before you. Mama.
Drive safely on the road. Don't let anything happen to you.
Okay. I'll miss you.
It's okay. We're clear why you're not.
Drive carefully, oh. Hey. Ijama.
Mama, wake up! Wake up! Everybody should wake up! Nobody's sleeping in this house! Wake up! Open this door! Mama, wake up! Everybody should come outside! You people have made my life miserable and you're sleeping! How can you sleep? When I cannot sleep! I cannot sleep, Mama! So, you will not sleep! And you will not sleep!
Can't someone rest for you in this house?
Ngozi, you're not resting! Thank you for your advice! Now I cannot sleep, I cannot rest, I don't have peace of mind. And you want to have peace of mind? Everybody outside. Mama, we're going outside. Let's go outside and find a solution to my problem.
Do that in the morning.
No! There's no money. There's no money. If you lock this door, I'll break it down. If I cannot break it down, I'll set this house on fire and then you roll outside.
Hey!
Ngozi, outside.
I'm not going anywhere.
Mama, outside. Mama, okay.
Go, Mama.
All right.
I want to
No problem.
Go outside.
Try me and lock this door. No, lead the way, Mama. You people should go. Nobody is sleeping. How do you want to sleep? You're sleeping when you have made my life miserable. I'm mad. Mama, I'm mad. Let's go outside.
Sorry, what my problem?
Nonsense.
Ngazika, what is keeping you? Bring the wash and water. Oh.
Mama, what are you doing? What are you doing? You are eating. What sort of nonsense? You are eating. You are trying to eat. Mama, are you trying to be comfortable? Huh?
What is all
Are you trying to be comfortable, Mama?
Are you alright?
You advised me to abandon Afrekwa and her pregnancy, knowing that I was responsible. Now my life is ruined, and you are seated down with your food, trying to enjoy.
Then why you threw away my food?
Mama, you want to eat?
Okay,
Are you have to watch you I swear, you will see her. If you were not my mother, I swear, I would have killed you. I would have killed you. I will kill you. I will bury you. I will kill everybody.
August has gone. August, what is it?
You were the cause of all these things. Huh? You were the brainchild behind all this trouble.
I'm trying to help you.
With your useless advice. And now my life is ruined. And you are calling me Ogazamaka.
Ogazamaka! Help! Ogazamaka!
Baby, come on, how are you? You look worried.
Mike, I'm not fine.
You're not fine? What is the problem?
Mike, I'm pregnant.
What? What do you mean you are pregnant?
Mike, what kind of question is that? I told you I'm pregnant and you're here asking me what do you mean by you're pregnant?
Listen, you have to get rid of that thing you're carrying.
Mike, you mean I should terminate this pregnancy? Hell no, I won't do that. I won't do it.
You have to terminate it because...
Because what?
Because I am a married man with 2 kids.
What do you mean?
Yes, now you know.
What do you mean?
Listen, my wife and kids live in Abuja. Listen, all we have It was good while it lasted. It was all for fun. Get out of here. Excuse me.
Juliet.
Babe, Alpha, why is your face like this? What's the matter?
Everything. Juliet, everything is the matter. How come you didn't tell me Mike is married?
But you don't expect me to tell you all that.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Juliet, I'm pregnant. And Mike expects me to get rid of the pregnancy.
Come on, babe. This is just a game. I expected you to be wise. Like, how can you get pregnant for him?
Oh, it's all game. Eh? It's all game.
Jesus Christ.
Because just look at you. Just look at yourself. Eh? Mama, what?
Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I'm not okay, Ogazamaka. Don't vomit on me, oh. Don't vomit on me.
Let's go home.
My friend, stand straight. You push me down, no.
Mama. Let's go.
How can you drink? Oh my God. What is all this?
What we be. Somebody tell somebody this life not changing. Somebody say this life now my.
Okay, Mechie, close your eyes so that you can sleep. Eh? Chineke. Kehem jisi corona ebo maka no bikon. Eh? Leleno, look at him. Just look at him. Dead drunk. Ogazamaka, what have I done to you? Eh? Okay, sleep well. Put your leg well. Close your eyes now so that you can sleep. Chineke. Yeah, Ngazi. Never come here. Come here, dear sister. Jesus Christ. Look at you. Because why are you like this? Eh? KBC. Why are you looking like this? Why are you like this? Why are you looking like this? Oh, you went and fought. Hey, these children. God, what have I done? Look at this one. Dead drunk. Otobokozu. Eh? And this one is looking like a mad girl. Hey, Chineke. God, what have I done? What have I done to deserve? Hey. Akwagi. Woke no afuma. Don't like that. Don't like this. Don't and sleep well. Sleep well. Tomorrow go and drink again. Stupid fool. Eh? Ngozi. It will neutralize. Drink now. It will neutralize the effects of the alcohol. Eh? Well. One here now. Okay, so when you hang on to drink this thing now, it will neutralize the effects of the alcohol. Drink it. Drink this palm oil, then it will neutralize the effects of the alcohol. Now take now. Okay, so when you hang on, drink this thing now. It will neutralize the effects of the alcohol. Drink it. And one.
Mama, you called me.
Ngozika,
Huh?
sit down. There is something I would like to discuss with you.
What is it?
Ngozi,
Okay.
I have been observing you for a while now, and you don't seem all right. What is the problem?
Mama, how? I don't understand.
You were vomiting this morning, but I didn't want to say anything. Ngozi, I want you to tell me the truth. Are you pregnant? Ngozi Dime. Tell your mother the truth. Are you pregnant? Come is you. Enola?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
So who is responsible?
It's Mike.
Does he know about it?
Yes. But there is a problem.
What problem?
Mama, do you know that Mike is married?
Mike is married.
Yes, Mama. And even that stupid girl, Juliet, didn't even tell me about it. Mama, right now I feel like killing myself. I feel like running away and never to return.
It's okay, yeah. You will not kill yourself. And you will not run away.
Hey, Mama, this is no time to cry. You better undo all you have done, or there will be no peace. There will not even be time to cry. Because I won't say this again. What you see from this moment is action. Saw her now. Mama! Is she running away? Mama, you can run! You can run, but you cannot hide. Where is she? You cannot hide from me. You cannot hide from me. Okay. Come back. Mama, I'm waiting for you. You come back.
Good morning. Madam, good morning. How may I help you?
My name is Rosa. I am Ogazamaka's mother. Biko, I beg you in the name of God, follow me to your brother. Follow me to beg your brother to forgive my son. Let him forgive us. Biko,
Madam,
I beg you.
Madam, leave me alone. Leave me. I should follow you to my brother and beg him.
Yes, Biko.
After all you people did to him, do you know the pain you and your son caused my brother? Do you? My niece now runs mad. Just because of you and your son. And here you are asking me to go and beg my brother. I am not going anywhere.
Biko, I beg you in the name of God. It has not been easy for my son. It has not been easy for my son. I no longer have peace in my house.
So because Nemesis has caught up with you and your son, that is why you are here begging and shedding this your crocodile tears. I am not going. I am not going with you. Please, leave my house.
It's not crocodile tears. We are truly sorry.
Please, madam, leave me alone. See, when you are done crying, you know your way out.
I no longer have peace in my house. Help me, Biko, I'm oh God, what is all this? Hey!
This life, what we be. For this life, what we be. So, somebody tell somebody, this life not jaja. Somebody, somebody say this life now why? Cause if you eat your cake, you can't have it back. As you don't eat your cake, you man for by yourself. Makano coconut tuba welie imapana coconut tuba wena na fire. Life is a mass decision. If I'm on the journey, good day, bad day, all my choice. Life is a mass decision. If I'm on the journey, good day, bad day, all my choice.
Who took the pot of rice I cooked?
Afwekwe. Ndị ori obezere. Afwekwe.
Nwa, ide, n'obi nwa, nọ n'obi ọdọmmiri.
Your decision today, make it to tomorrow. One more.
What do you do? You don't want to eat.
That is very nice.
Nobody will take you away from me. Ogazi. Hey, I go now, go yeah? Yeah, take. Eat! Ogazi, take and eat. I don't want you to be hungry. And listen, Please go back. Please remember, but I know you're hungry. It's so number. Okay, Tita, one more batagona go. Mana mansemba. One. No. Good. Okay. Waba. What's number? Okay. Okay, stand in bed. Okay.
Yeah. Afo. What are you doing with the food? Get up. Get up. Stand up and go and get broom and clear this place. Stand up.
Oh no.
Come on, get up from there. Get up. Go and get the broom and clear all this mess. Huh? What is wrong with you? Just look at the food I cooked. Huh? When I make this? My friend, get up and clear us Simba. What do you mean by us Simba?
Guys, he's eating. Simba. Now you're eating and enjoying, but it's Simba.
Guys, he's eating. Let me keep food for Gazi.
Get up. Go and get the broom and clear all this.
I
know, get up.
No. Oh.
What are you still doing here? I thought I asked you to leave. You are here sleeping. Leave!
Biko, I beg you, Biko. Please, you have to follow me to your brother, Biko. Because they know I even.
Please stop disturbing me. I am late for a meeting.
Biko. My sister, Biko. You have to follow me. You have to follow me to your brother. Forgive me. You have to beg your brother. You have to follow me.
It's okay. It's okay. Get up. Get up.
Thank you. You follow me.
Mazi, we plead for your forgiveness. Please forgive us. We are truly sorry. We are truly sorry from the depth of our hearts. We ask for your forgiveness. Biko.
Mazi, please. Please forgive me, sir. I'm very sorry for everything that happened. From the depth of my heart, I'm begging you to forgive, sir. Please, forgive me. Have mercy.
Please forgive us.
My life is no longer the same. Please, sir, I'm very sorry. Forgive me, sir.
Brother, please, forgive them. Oh, open the mirror. Please, forgive them.
Well, the only forgiveness possible here is that Ogazamaka must marry my daughter, Afwekwe.
In her present condition?
Yes, she is mad. If he wants forgiveness, he must marry her as a mad woman.
I will marry Afuekwe. I don't care if she's mad. I will marry your daughter, sir. I will marry her.
It's all right. You will hear from me soonest. After I must have discussed with my kinsman.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Mazi Orihedem. We are grateful. Very grateful.
It's all right. You're welcome. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I'm grateful, sir.
Thank you. I'm grateful.
I mean, what, are you out of your mind? Eh? Why did you accept that condition? Why?
Mama, what do you expect me to do? I had no choice. My life is already worse than that of a mad person.
Hey!
So, how do you intend to cope with a mad wife?
Nine, I don't know. And I don't care. What I know is that I will marry her. After all, I'm the cause of her madness. I'm the reason she's in that condition.
Chimo, come to the J. Eh? Hey! Come to the J. Eh? My son, marry a mad girl.
Don't fight it for her. Snake. Allow me to tie this cap very well.
You look very, very beautiful. Yes. So I look beautiful. Yes. Are you sure? I want to see my face. I want to be sure that I am very, very beautiful. I want to know what I look like. Because I am ready to say I do.
Ngwatine, go inside the room and bring mirror.
Snake.
Eh?
The snake has gone to church.
Snake?
They are going to church. So I'm beautiful.
You are getting married.
And Ogazi Simba.
Eh?
Ogazi Asigomba.
Ta, Ogazi Gasi, eh?
I do.
I do. I'm gonna see your face. Don't you look beautiful?
You look good. I do.
Beautiful.
I look beautiful.
Yes.
Everything is in order.
Yes. Thank you.
Without wasting your time, I can't move your idea. Asị na ewere nke onye na-asa wee kwụọ ya ụgwọ ma o ruru eru ma o ruru eru ya ekene narụ. Ihe na-akọwa bụ na ihe niile ka na-aga n'anya ya. Anyị ga-akọkwa nnụ n'ubi onye anyị bịa. Biko Mgbechi. Please call Afuekwe.
Go and call her Afekwe. Ka ọ dịkwa nke nwoke na nwaanyị.
Ọ dịka nwoke na nwaanyị n'eziokwu.
Ọ na-aba afọ ọdụm, afụkwa ihe ọdụdụ. Ọ dị egwu. Cambia quan.
Come, Papa.
Okay.
What is happening? What is going on?
Brother, I left her in the room, but she's no longer there. This is where we applied the makeup, and she's not here too.
This girl will put me into trouble. Where could she have gone?
Mazi, what is going on? Where is Afekwe? Why didn't she come out?
I don't know. Afekwe is nowhere to be found.
She's nowhere to be found?
Oh, yes.
How?
That's what Mbechi told me.
Please, let's just stop this talk. Let's go and start looking for her immediately.
Alright. Okay, let's go.
And I know I'm a beautiful bride. I am a beautiful bride. But not saying God, Uncle, go and greet Ndiogo. Ndiogo will be angry. If you don't greet them, they'll get angry and go. You want them to go.
What are you doing here?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm doing my traditional marriage.
Today is your marriage day, and you are here. Please get up. Let us go.
Wait, I am a beautiful bride.
I know.
They are paying the bride price.
Afekwe, please.
Oh,
please,
man,
Osigomba. Because let us go.
Where is my husband? Leave me alone.
You found her.
Oh, leave me alone. I'm a beautiful bride.
I know.
My husband loves me. I know.
No,
Look at Ndiogo. They are there.
Ndiogo at home.
They are paying the bride price.
Afekwe, look at me.
The bride is beautiful. Look at the bride. She's dancing.
No, there's nobody there. Look, there are people in your house. Let's go home.
Afekwe, please, let us.
Afekwe, please. Yes. We're getting married. Yes. Yes. I love you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Don't you know my in-laws are here?
I'm here. Look at me. Your husband. Let's just go home and get married.
Yes.
Please.
Oh, Simba.
Asigom, I said yes.
What kind
of yes.
Wait, yes. Shh, stop talking.
Okay.
Ndiogo are here.
No, Ndiogo are
Ndiogo, yes, they want to pay my bride price. See, they are celebrating.
Yes.
How Wagoji?
Okay, okay.
Hana Wagoji, look.
Let's join them. Let's be going this way, okay?
Hana Wagoji,
Yes.
wait.
Look, see, we're wearing the same cloth.
Yes.
Afekwe, look at me, please. Just look at me. You and I are getting married today.
Afekwe, please, let us go.
No, please.
Let's go home.
There's a problem.
What's the problem?
Yogo did not bring Pami. There's no Pami.
Yes, Pami.
Where?
At the house.
Yes.
At the house?
Yes, absolutely.
Hey! Mbao, Oga late. Iga Simba.
No,
I bought fresh Pami.
No, Asigum, I've said yes. Let's go home. Oh, no. Afekwe, let's go home. I've said it. What?
Hey!
Okay. Okay, this is our cup.
Yes.
All right.
So, I will use it and give you Pami.
Oh, okay.
For love.
Okay.
Yes.
At
Pami
home.
for love.
All right. Pami for love. At home. I promise you I will take it. Can we leave this place?
Love Merumaru.
I'm sorry.
Hey, love Merumaru.
I'm sorry.
Afekwe, please, let us go.
Please.
Okay, wait. After our traditional marriage, you will go. Wait, let me put Pami inside.
No, that's...
You shouldn't talk. This is Pami, fresh Pami.
Afekwe, please. Afekwe, hey!
For our love. No.
Oh, okay. It's love. It's for love. Okay. I'll drink it.
We have taken it. Afekwe, we can go now.
Yes. Can we go now?
Yes. No, my wedding gown is not here. I have to wear my wedding gown so that my husband will know I'm a beautiful bride.
Fine.
Wedding gown. Wait,
What?
Ago.
No, there's no snake.
No snake.
What
Ago
about?
flight. The flight is taking off.
Okay. Kaisolia. Let's go that way. Bye. Let's be going. Can we go? Let's go together. No, I've said yes. I promise you. Look at us. We're getting...
Oh, okay, fine. Let's take picture now. See, people are looking at us now. This time, we're not taking picture. Carry me. Let's take pictures. Still photo. We are sorry. Don't worry. Snap now. The are looking at us.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Let's snap.
Yes.
Let's snap.
You're not smiling.
Can we go now?
No.
Let's go.
They are sewing my wedding gown.
They would sew it.
The tailor is lazy.
It's now.
No, the tailor is lazy.
Let's go.
This is a man.
Yes.
His eyes wide open. Kona afife ni makano wadiyo. The mouth is here, like this. His name is Linus.
Who?
Linus.
Who is Linus?
Your brother, that is Linus.
Okay, Linus.
This is the wife. The wife is very... Remove your leg so
sorry.
that you will not touch her own leg. And she has beautiful gown. Beautiful gown. And she's taller. Very tall and beautiful. This is the mouth and the eyes. Both of them are getting married.
Who?
Adobe and Linus are husband and wife.
Okay.
Mane Simba. Where's Simba? Where's Simba?
Yes. No.
Oh yeah, tell Adobe that you said no. Because Adobe needs to know that you said no. Go their way.
Okay, I'll talk to Adobe
Tell her.
later.
Tell Adobe that you said no. Then you tell Linus the husband, because both of them are husband and wife. No secret.
Okay. Adobe, I said no.
Adobe, have you heard him? He said no. What's Kwamba? Kwamba can say. What's Simba? Mana, Linus say,
Africa, our food is ready, so let's go and eat.
No, I don't want to eat. Are you not? You're here for somebody's wedding, and Umunna are already on their way. Yes. You want to go and eat?
We'll be back before they get here. I promise you.
No, Adobe is not ready. She wants to take her bath. Adobe, I want you to wear black lipsticks. You'll be beautiful.
Africa,
Linus is laughing.
Our food is ready. Don't want it to be cold.
Come now, look at that thing like trailer that is coming to hit you.
There's no trailer.
No, something is coming. Look, that place is black.
Okay.
This place is green. The other place is yellow.
Okay.
Lie down.
Fine.
Hey, do you want to kill the couple?
Oh, sorry, I didn't see them. Sorry.
Yeah, lie down, relax. Simba. Mani, you go. Opa, Adobe, let me tell you. Omeche is the Simba. Hey, Adobe has gone to the bedroom to take a shower.
If I'm on phone again, what is this? If I'm on phone again, what's on? Get up!
Oh, Mama, what is it now?
Chigon, you're asking me what is it? Ngozi, let me go. You're sleeping under this hot sun in this hot afternoon. Are you supposed to be here sleeping?
Mama, can't I rest for you?
You cannot rest! Useless girl! You went and got pregnant. You're asking me. Shut up! Mama, leave me! Leave me alone now! Leave me alone! What is this for you? Mama, what is all this? You're here consuming my food, you and your brother. You people are a cost to me. You will no longer continue to rest to stay in this house, so I know what to do. You want fear. Ibe. I'm not here. Back you people walking on. Yeah.
Yes, my eyes are closed.
Ogazi, I can see that you are equally mad. Ogazi, you are not a madman.
What is it now?
You're equally mad like your mad wife.
What have I done?
In a one question, you're asking me. Amaka, I can see that you're no longer frustrated. You are equally mad. You are not mad like your mad wife.
Mama, what do you expect me to do? What do you want me to do?
Anyway, I know what to do. I can no longer continue to fend for two mad people under my roof. Mama, it will not happen. Mama, get up. Kuni, get up.
Mama, I'm not getting up.
No,
Mama, I'm not getting up. I'm not getting up. Mama, do you want to get up? Mama,
lift up, please. Remove your leg, Mama.
People are there. Sorry.
No, Mama.
No, sorry. No, they're fine. Ndogo are fine. Mama, you see what you're causing.
Okay.
Mama, you're supposed to know what's going on. Why are you frustrating me? Sorry. No, nothing happened. Everything is fine. Everybody's fine, I promise you. Don't be angry, okay?
Adobe is crying because look at Ndiogo, they are going now.
No, they are not.
No, they are going. Look at them.
They just want to discuss. They will come back, I promise you. Look, they just came back. They are back, You see? They didn't go anywhere.
Uncle Simba, but Ndiogo are back.
Yes.
Adobe is applying lipstick. Let me help you.
I know, just do it again.
Well.
And,
Adobe, Ndiogo,
sorry, everything is fine.
Adobe
be happy.
Is
Ndiogo is here. They are here.
No, Mama chased Ndiogo away.
Oh, I can still see them. No. Not to go. Look at them.
Okay, Simba. There's a goose inside.
No, it's stew.
And the goose. It's sweet.
Yangozi,
Like it?
what are you doing?
I'm eating now.
You're eating. Whose food?
Our food.
My food. Ngozi, who gave you the permission to go to my pot to collect food? Eh? I'm asking you. No fear. No here. Look at you. You're not even ashamed of yourself. This is the only thing you know how to do in this house, to consume my food. Give me that food. Mama, give me my food. No fear.
Hey! So I can't even eat in my father's house again after my mother's pot.
No here. And you? Who gave you this food?
Mama.
How dare you eat my food?
Mama, my food. Mama, Mama, stop this now. Have you seen? Have you seen?
What are you doing? Ogazi, have you seen your wife?
Why are you disturbing us?
Your wife has beaten me. What a boy I'm now. Look at you. Useless people.
No, it's not enough.
You will consume my food without contributing and farting.
Mama, what you're doing is not fair.
Mama, give me food now. Oh, no, now.
Mama, this thing you're doing is not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Mama, you're going to give me food to eat because.
Sorry.
She went away with the egusi.
No, the egusi is still there. I promise you. Let's eat. Let's eat together.
No,
I'm sorry.
There's no egusi inside. Even the pomo and okporoko. And now, Obono is coming out.
But
Madinobim has no eating. He's hungry.
It's what you cost.
Madinobim.
Come back to the seat. Let's.
Okay, Simba.
I was eating
Mama
with you.
took the egusi and your bono is not complete.
Okay.
Madinobi is eating. I want to eat it. Madinobi. Come and eat with us. We are family.
But we can eat here. They'll join us. Let's put the food on them.
The egusi is not complete inside your bono.
Okay, should I bring more egusi for you?
No, stay and eat with my son.
Okay.
Stay this place. Eat.
We'll eat together, huh? Don't worry, everything will be fine. Huh?
Ogazi, do you know Mama's problem is getting out of hand?
How do you mean?
Which one is how do I mean? Can't you see the way she treats us? She doesn't even allow us to touch anything belonging to her.
What do you expect? What do you expect from Mama?
In fact, I feel like running away. But I don't know where to run to. I've been thinking, why not leave Afwekwe and go back to America?
What do you mean? Huh? Which America? Seems you've forgotten I was deported and I cannot go back. Are you saying this to mock me? Is that what you're here for?
So what do you want to do? Sit back here with your mad wife, doing nothing up here?
Are you out of your mind? How dare you, Ngozi? Huh? What about you, seated here with this bastard child inside of you? Why don't you go out and find out who is responsible for this child and get him to marry you?
You are very stupid.
You're more stupid.
I can see it's because of your stupidity that made them deport you. Stupid boy.
If I'm stupid, now you tell me, how many girls do you see in this village that is walking around with a pregnancy in her father's house?
You should be ashamed of yourself for getting married to a mad woman. You are also mad.
Ngozi, your sister Nkiru, your kid sister, a girl you watched grow, is now married, living happily with her husband. She did not get pregnant before getting married.
Stop comparing me with Nkiru.
You're bringing shame to this family.
Stop comparing me.
To advise
Ogazi, go and make money. Ogazi,
that baby inside of you will
look at
die.
that Hannah.
I wish you miscarriage.
Hannah is not a made man. Ogazi, can you feel
you give birth to a fraud.
I'm even calling you Ogazi Amake. Ogazi Ajota. Go and make
your child will be like this.
Go and make money, Ogazi. You should be ashamed.
Anytime you look at that child, you'll be crying. That's how wicked you are. You give birth to a child looking like this.
Look at that Hannah. Ogazi.
So that every day when you see that child, you will see how wicked you are.
My baby
bad
will not
advisor.
deliver. I will deliver a normal baby, and you will.
You have no advice.
Adenigwe, I greet you.
You're welcome.
Adenigwe, my son has finally gotten married to the mad girl that he got pregnant. But the girl is still mad. Is there no solution to her madness?
You see, your daughter-in-law's madness is not spiritual.
So, what do we do about it?
The only thing you can do is pray to God, for He alone has solution to all problems. I only handle spiritual problems. I do not start what I cannot finish.
Ogazina, don't you think it's time you go back to Abuja? Now that you're married to Afwekwe.
Abuja kwa?
Yes.
What for?
To go and look for a job now. Eh? You have your certificate with you. Don't you think the wise thing is to call your friend for him to help you get a job?
So what happens to Afwekwe if I leave? She's my wife. I can't abandon her.
There he goes again. Obiakwa, Afwekwe this, Afwekwe that. Don't married men leave their wives and children in the village to go to the township to hustle, to look for what to do. Is that not what they do? Enwam, you're here telling me Afwekwe, Afwekwe, Afwekwe. Eh? Yeah. What the way go? Ogazi, take this money. This is 20,000 naira. It is part of the money that your sister Nkiru sent to me. Take it. Now,
Mama, are you sure?
I want you to call your friend in Abuja. Call him and tell him that you want to come back. Enwam, you have to go back and look for what to do now. Eh? You and your wife cannot be idle just like that. What will you be eating when you're not Ataja?
Okay,
it's not a
Mama.
bad advice now.
I understand. Thank you very much. Baby, calm down. I think you just had a bad dream. Baby, are you okay? Are you okay? What is it?
No! No!
What is wrong? Stop. Why are you shouting? Just relax, okay? You just had a nightmare. We're awake now. Afwekwe. Are you okay?
Ogazi, what am I doing here?
You don't remember?
I'm asking you, what exactly am I doing here? Where are we?
Oh my goodness.
This looks strange.
Wait, you don't remember that we got married and you now live with me? This is my house, my room. You don't remember?
What am I doing here?
This is unbelievable. Wait. Mama!
Why are you shouting?
Mama!
You're screaming.
Afwekwe.
What
You're my wife. We got married. And this is my house. Oh my goodness. Mama! My wife is well! Oh! Mama! Mama!
Look at you.
My goodness.
Hey,
this is a miracle. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Afekwe. Hey! My wife.
Yes, my husband.
Welcome back, baby.
Hey.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
You know where you are?
Of course, I know I'm in my husband's
This is your husband's house.
Yes.
And I'm your husband.
Yes,
Your
and
love.
this is my mother.
Yes.
This our God
Mama,
is faithful.
God is wonderful.
She just got well.
Yes.
Hey, Mom.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Can't you see?
Good.
Yes.
I love you.
I love you, husband.
I love you, my
I
wife.
love you.
Ah! Mama, my wife is back.
Oh. In this life, what we be. For this life, what we be. So, somebody tell somebody, this life not jaja. Somebody, somebody say this life now why. Cause if you eat your cake, you can't have it back. I see don't eat your cake, you man for buy.
Where are you doing? Get out of
Mom, is this you?
That's Africa.
You're well again?
Yes,
oh.
this is fine.
God, thank you. God is wonderful. God is awesome.
She's well and she's whole. Africa.
So, you're well again?
Yes.
You're well again?
She's very well. I'm so happy to see you.
Thank you.
Your wife.
Yes.
Your wife.
My wife.
My husband.
My wife.
Do you know what will happen?
Yes.
I want to go and make delicious oha soup for all of us.
God is wonderful.
Our God is faithful.
Yes. He's a miracle working God.
She just got better. Just got well.
In fact, we need to celebrate.
Of
Let's
course,
go.
of course.
Let me go and come back.
Hey, thank you, God.
Because forgive me. Forgive us. Forgive me of all the ill treatment that I meted on you. For all that I cost you. Oh?
It's alright, Mama.
I feel good. I'm so sorry for not being there for you. I'm sorry for all that I cost you. I'm truly sorry.
Ngozi, it's okay. I've forgiven everyone and sincerely I hold nothing against you and Mama.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much. Ngozi, Mom, I was a bad mother. I should have stood by you and your wife, but I did not. Please, forgive me of all the ill treatments.
Mama.
You should forgive me.
Mama, it's alright.
It's okay, Mama.
It's okay. We've forgiven everybody.
Okay.
Huh?
Ogazi, oneness awesome. I'm very sorry for everything. Please forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. Can we now live happily together?
Yes. Thank you very much.
I like that. But if you ask me, I don't think all these things are necessary. They're not necessary. God has done the best.
Yes. So
the most important thing is that He has healed my daughter.
Amen. Yes.
Mama, my soup! Oh!
Go for it.
My wife.
Listen, one more thing.
We are going to, all of us will move over to my house. We are going to have 1 week of non-stop eating and drinking.
Yeah,
on my yes. Listen, nobody will put 1 kobo.
Yes.
I've even asked the denta to get me a big size of nchi and the You know him now?
Yes.
The hunter.
Yes.
Yes. We will use it for the celebration.
No. This is what
1 week. No stopping.
Oh,
I
so we should be happy.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Wonderful.
We should be happy. We're going to go on my
So, what else do you have passion for apart from engineering and school?
Repairing generators. In fact, while I was in school, I was in charge of repairing all the Tiger generators that belongs to the students.
Are you serious?
Exactly.
So, what else are we talking about? Look at what will happen. You need to start a job. Yes, let's get a shop so you can start generator repairing and all that. Just own a generator repairing workshop. No buts. I know you went to school, you are a graduate, but you mustn't wait for a white-collar job since it's not forthcoming. You can't just sit, fold your arms, and tell me you are a graduate, you are waiting for a job to come back. I think going to school is the ability to create a job when you can't find any. That's what I feel. So,
You're
you
right.
have to look for some money, get tools, and start up a generator workshop. From there we can make money. You never can tell where the blessing of God will come from.
Wow. You're full of ideas. But you're right. I'll do something about it.
Alright, because once you start it,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My dear, do you know that Africa is now okay? She's no longer mad though.
Yes, so my dear, I was surprised when I saw her.
So, at last she regained herself.
Yes, so all thanks to God. My dear, you know that they got married, officially married, while she was still mad. What? Yes, now.
Seriously?
I'm serious.
Wonder shall never end.
Wonder shall never end.
Hey, this is what you call
True what?
love. True love.
My dear, I beg reduce your true love.
I wish my own love will come.
Your own will come. That means
Yes.
you have to get mad now.
You are not serious.
You are the one. Let's go.
It's
dear.
you that will
Let's
get
go.
mad, not me. Please.
I don't say you know me for this village. I'm the chief for many fair.
Of course I know you. How may I help you? Why do you want to see me?
I have a proposal for you. I want to marry you.
How?
You know, say this village, you know, say have a get belly. And I want to marry you. I know that I have 4 wives. I want to make it number 5.
You're very stupid. So you invited me here to tell me that you want to make me your 5th wife. Okay? Old fool.
You go regret it though. You go regret it though.
Hey! Mama!
Mama?
Welcome. Amaka. Just look at yourself. See what you've reduced yourself to. Amaka, have you seen your life?
Mama, what is your problem?
You're so shameless. You're asking me what my problem is. Are you supposed to still be in this village? Amaka, are you supposed to be here? Just look at this place. A graduate, university graduate. Amaka, you should have been in Abuja or any other big city doing a decent job. But just imagine, just look at you. I'm ashamed of you.
Mama, what's all this? Huh? It's my life. Why are you complaining? Why are you also always disturbing? Why won't you let me have my peace? Huh? I have a job here. I'm not looking for any greener pasture. The last time you people advised me, we know how it all happened. What is all this? I'm a generator mechanic. Can't you see? The best generator mechanic in this village.
Huh? You're an university graduate and not a generator mechanic.
Mama, this is my wife, in whom I am well pleased. I love her so much. She's everything to me. I have my job. My business is growing. I will find my fortune here.
By the way, whose food is that? What food are you people eating?
Mama, I brought the food from the house.
Which house? My house? My food?
Mama! Oh my God! What are you doing?
Amaka, you're owing me 20,000 naira. Where is my money?
Mama!
Where is my 20,000 naira?
How can you take my food now?
Amaka, give me back my money.
Mama, I have told you that I will pay you when I have your money.
When?
I will pay you back.
When will that be?
When my customers pay me, I do some jobs for some people and they are owing me. When they pay me, I'll pay you back.
I want my money back. Mama, give me back my money. Just look at you. You're so shameless.
Mama, give me my food.
Come and get it. Shameless people.
Mama, give me my food. Mama, get what the hell? How can she come and take... Mama!
What have we done to deserve this from Mama? Why is she treating us like this?
It's okay. Don't mind her, okay? And don't worry, I ate enough before she took the food, so I'm not hungry. You have done your best, okay? Don't worry. Just ignore Mama. Ignore Mama. I know what is biting her. And it will keep biting her till she dies.
Ngozika, what were you telling me?
Mama, Steve asked me to marry him.
He did?
Yes.
Didn't you tell him that you are pregnant for another man?
Mama, I told him everything. You know, Steve has been more like a friend to me ever since. He even promised to take care of me and the child when it comes.
This is interesting. He must be a very good man.
But Mama, I don't know. Should I accept him?
Do you have a choice? You're asking me if you should accept him. A man that has promised to marry you with your pregnancy for another man, you're asking me if you should accept. You should count yourself lucky. Such men, they don't come easily. Hey, oh, this is good. This is good news. In that case, I'm happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine. How's work going?
Well, we're trying. We thank God. You brought me food.
Yes.
As if you know I was starving. Thank you, my wife. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. You know what happened today?
What?
A man came to my shop and asked me if I could repair his big generator. And I said yes. So he took me to his house. That's where I'm coming from now.
Did you repair the generator?
Oh yes, I did.
I trust you.
And it's working perfectly. And guess what?
What?
He gave me 50,000 naira for my services.
Chimo, 50?
Check my pockets. No, the down one. Good. That's the money.
I thought you were joking.
I was not. 50,000 naira, baby. Meanwhile, what I did for him was not even up to 3,000 naira or 4,000 naira. In fact, if he gave me 5,000 naira, I would have been jumping. And he counted and gave me 50,000 naira.
This man is so nice. May God bless and reward him.
Amen.
God bless and reward
Amen.
him. Honey, you know what? I'll make your favorite soup this evening. Salas.
Azundo. Azundo.
Let's come and eat before the food gets
yes,
cold.
so.
Honey.
Baby.
Eh?
Baby.
No.
Baby.
No.
Our life has seen. Guess what?
What?
Guess what? Just guess. Say something. Just guess.
I don't.
Do you remember Chief Martin? The one I repaired generator for now, and he gave me 50,000 naira.
Oh, yes.
Remember him, right?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Good. He has just offered me a job in his company as the new maintenance manager. Yes, baby, I'm now in charge of all the generators, the listers, all the machines. Yes! My salary is 250,000 naira every month. And we have an official house, plus an official car. We are made! It's real. We are made.
Are you serious?
Yes! 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 Yes!
Hey!
Yes!
Thank you.
Okigwe inapụta chai mgbe nwa m nọ na nsogbu aga m enye gị ekele ọma ka m ga-enye gị otito ọma ka m ga-enye gị abụ ndị nsọ ka m ga-abụ
iji gosi ịdị ngọzi na
ịdị ukwu
eze gbaghara
mmehie m Chineke ka m keta oke n'iru
ọkwa mgbe m kpọrọ ya ọzara nkọza
ọzara
kpọrọ ya
ọzara
ọzamụ
ọzara
mgbe m kpọrọ ya
ọzara
mgbe m kpọrọ ya
ọzara
What is all this? What is all this noise about?
Mama, what is it?
What is all this?
We are happy.
Happy about what? You're disturbing me. I cannot even rest in my own house. What is all this about?
Mama, what is it?
Anyway, that one is me, by the way. My money.
Your money?
Ogazamaka, today is the last day that I gave you. Can I have my money?
Hey, Mama,
I don't want more stories.
It's fine, Mama. It's fine. I have your money. Huh? Mama, I say it's 20,000 naira,
yes,
right?
Like 20,000 naira.
Okay. Baby, let's count.
We have to pay our debt.
Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! Let's add one more for Mama.
Yeah, that would be very nice.
Oh, okay. 21, Mama. Mama, here is your 20,000 naira with interest. Huh?
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, thank you. Take your money. It's your money. Take it, Mama. And if you need more, just come to me. Mama, we are... Ozaram. Ozaram. Hey! Ozaram. Ozaram. Hey! Ozaram. 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 Ozaram.
Mama, mbai poroya.
Ozaram.
Mbai poroya. Fine, we missed you.
Oh, you look good. It was fantastic. What about my mom? Is she here now?
No, not yet.
She called and said she's almost at the house.
He told me, but I haven't seen her.
Mama! Wow, Mama, fantastic. Mama, the mama. Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Mama, I'm fine.
What did you know?
Mama, I was actually rushing to the house. I thought you'd gotten here.
Ha! My son, if you see the hold up on the way, do you know we stayed over 2 hours in traffic? Is that how you live in this town?
Oh, that's how it is.
Hey.
Mama, that is how it is.
Come to mommy. What is it?
That is okay. Looking good.
Ngo. So that's our in-law.
Yes, brother.
Look, I'm so sorry I couldn't come for the traditional marriage. My company sent me on a training that period.
Oh, really? So how did it go?
It was fantastic.
Oh,
it was great. Wow. Ngo. You didn't tell me our in-law is a fine boy too.
Our brother, don't you know him?
No.
He's Steve.
Wait. Steve, the chemist guy? No way!
The former chemist guy.
Are you serious?
Yeah, brother, now he's a contractor.
A contractor?
Yes.
Fantastic.
Thanks to your sister also. She brought out the best in me.
I know my sister.
I never knew I'm so talented that I can go this extent.
Oh.
So sweet to have a sweet woman like this.
And hold on. And it's also good to marry a sweet, caring, loving husband like mine.
That's the best wife in the world.
Hey.
Number one wife, baby.
Life. You see why it's not good to give up on anybody. Who will believe it that a former chemist man is now a big building contractor.
Mama, anything is possible.
Nizianogi Ogazenwam. Ogaziamaka, the former generator repairer, now a big executive.
Mama.
Living in a big mansion.
Yes, so Mama.
And a big car. Hey!
Mama, very soon I'll be a property owner in Port Harcourt.
You don't say.
Yes, so Mama.
Don't tell me that you soon become a landlord.
Of course.
Is this Port Harcourt?
Of course.
Hey!
Look at the land over here.
Mama.
Business compound, Mama.
Hey.
Very soon I'll be buying it.
Okay, you are going to buy it?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. God will do it.
Amen.
Let's go inside.
Mama's just walking in the wall.
This is a beautiful place.
Let's go.
And this is your car. This is the big jeep they gave to you. Orgazi. This is the big jeep you're coming.
Mama, that's the jeep. Oh.
Mama,
wait until you go inside. You will see the interior. You're welcome, my in-law.